best friends, welcome back. So today I wanted to do a quick video on how to style your bed quick, easy, but still make it look luxurious. I get so many comments from you all saying that you don't have time in the mornings, or it just seems like too many steps all just to make a bed. So I wanted to show you an easy way to make your bed when you get up in the morning without all the hassle, but still achieve that luxe look. Before we get this video started, I wanted to share with you a product that I feel like you will absolutely love. It's called the Radiance Skin Care System. So ladies, we already know not to go to bed with our makeup on, but practicing a good skincare routine is important and so satisfying. I really enjoy using the Skin Care System. The brush's spinning motion removes dirt, makeup, and excess oil. The fine brush bristles gently removes dead skin and unclogs pores to reveal that radiant skin hiding underneath. The system comes with a pumice stone and a larger brush, great for your body, and 2 brushes to clean your face. I use one of them to exfoliate. I will have a link as well as a discount code in the description box for anyone that may be interested. So I want to show you this part first. I like to do this step when I'm putting my sheets back on my bed from out of the washing machine. I like to tuck the bottom part underneath the mattress. If you can tell, I only tuck just enough. That way most of the sheets are still up top. By doing this, I'm able to still cover up with the sheets and not feel so tight and restricted when I'm ready to pull the sheets up on me. But there's just enough sheet at the bottom of the bed so it won't come up while I'm sleeping. I'll also do the same thing with my quilt, and I'll also line my flat sheet and my quilt up so they're pretty much matched together. Alright, so for the most part, this is how all of our beds may look in the morning from sleeping in it, obviously not made. I'm going to put my flat and my quilt back together. The bottom part should still be intact from tucking it. Even if you're a wild sleeper, the bottom part should still be okay. Then you'll just pull everything up using just a little force just to straighten everything out. Then I'll fold the sheets and my quilt over. Doing this, the other side should just easily fall in place, needing just a little fixing, and then after that you can just neatly tuck the sides underneath the mattress. It's not cold enough for us to use our duvet yet, so we like to keep it at the foot of our bed just in case we will need it. To style your bed simple but make it look and feel luxurious, try using a nice print of your choice. Y'all know I love my white bedding. It's simple and you can add different colors of your choice to it without always having to change up your duvet or comforter set, which can also be pretty pricey. But if you're one that loves print, try using a simple print with a solid sheet set so that way it's not so overwhelming. If you don't layer your bed with a quilt and you just use your comforter, pull it up same as you did with your quilt and sheet set. I like to bring mine down to the foot of the bed, then I like to fold it over. Of course, stop where you like your cover to be placed. Moving on to pillows. No, we're not using tons of throw pillows. We want this to be as simple and easy as possible. We're making the bed and when we're getting ready for bed. We don't want to have to move or place thousands of throw pillows, right? So we're just using our sleeping pillows. I'm going to prop them up in the back, and then I'll just add my pillow shams that came with the cover. And just for the heck of it, I'm going to add in a simple pillow in the middle. We're going to add in one extra step. We're feeling good about this process. It was simple and it was easy, and we didn't take up most of our morning just to make our bed. And plus we have 1 extra second to admire our work. So we're going to go ahead and add in a throw blanket. This adds some texture and an extra layer, but it comes in handy at night when it's a little chilly. You'll just simply lay it as a runner on the top of your cover. Of course, using any type of sprays or perfumes in your bedroom is completely optional. I personally just love to have a signature scent in my bedroom. I hope by watching today you were able to find some tips on how to make your bed quick and luxurious. If you have, or you just enjoyed watching, please give this video a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you'd like to see next. And if you aren't already, please consider subscribing. My name is Levion and I would love to have you join my extremely modest family. I will see you all in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.